to continue your teaching. You explained to us why the Prophet Muhammad said a black is not better than a white, or white is not better than a black.
Absolutely. Clearly, the fact that we come from one man, one person, and we have the same anatomy, we have the same functions, we can do the same things. What the outside, the skin color, all of that does not really matter. That's why Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, he came into a society that was segregated. He grew up in a society that was segregated in Mecca. They were the nobles, and they were the commoners, and they were the slaves. And the first thing that he said, and it's one of the reasons why they rejected his message, the fact that all of us are equal. All of us were created equal. That Islam is completely colorblind. It does not matter where you come from. It doesn't matter what the color of your skin is. We are all equal because we all came from one man. One of the things that gives me great pleasure whenever I give the Friday sermon, when I look out at my congregation and I see the diversity that we have. We literally have over 34 countries or more represented in 400 or 500 people that attend in front of me. It gives me it gives me great pleasure to see that, and to know that this message was spread everywhere, and it was extremely successful.
Thank you so much.